Hello kids, today we will learn the sight words. Sight words are the words that help us to read and write quickly. Let us learn some of the sight words. You have to read and repeat after me. I. Y-O-U, you. W-E-V, V. H-E, he. S-H-E, she. I am a boy. I like to eat ice cream. Y-O-U, you. You are my friend. You can read. W-E-V, we are a family. We love you. H-E, he. He is my father. He goes to the office. S-H-E, she. She is my mother. She cooks yummy food for me. Kids, watch again and read the sight words. Thank you for watching.